Squirrel, you're in your happy spot. Yeah. You're so happy. Look at you. I just cleaned you with that leave-in shampoo spray for cats. Wow, you have a hat. Look how dirty you are. Wow. Yeah, I know. You gonna roll? You gonna show everyone how you roll? Squirrel! My dirty, expensive cat. Squirrelito, you actually look beautiful with that lightening of the hair. You're getting light. His hair has lightened a little bit since he's been doing the rolling. How you doing? Let's clean you a little bit. Huh? A little bit? Got some boogers.